What if I told you that in the next 60 seconds, you could learn a few simple ideas from how to speak smarter, the book that makes you sound 10x smarter, that instantly change how people see you. Most people don't sound unintelligent because they lack knowledge, they just speak without strategy, and that's exactly what this book fixes. Before we dive in, subscribe to Mindcode Vault, because we break down powerful books into simple lessons that upgrade your life fast. Here's the first secret. Smart people pause. They don't rush to fill silence. A 2-second pause makes you sound calm, confident, and in control. Second, they replace weak phrases like "I think maybe" with clear statements like "Here's what I suggest." Small word shifts, massive impact. Third, they ask better questions. Instead of trying to impress everyone, they make others feel important, and that instantly raises your status in any room. Imagine walking into your next meeting, date, or class and speaking slower, clearer, and more intentional. People lean in. They listen. They respect you. That's the power this book teaches, not big vocabulary, just smarter delivery. Now here's the real question. Which habit are you going to try first? The pause, the stronger wording, or the power questions? Comment below and tell me. If this helped you, share with someone who wants to level up their communication. And stay with Mindcode Vault, because the next lesson might completely change the way you speak forever.